What's up, everyone? Good morning. It is not even 4:30 a.m. this Saturday. Sometimes this just happens, and my brain wakes up and I get to the charts. And in today's video, I want to talk about XRP. I want to tell you why I believe this is going over $7 very soon, within the next several months. All I ask that you drop a like, you subscribe to the channel, and of course, grab your coffee if you haven't had any yet. And shout out to the ones that are up early, just like me. Appreciate you all. So let's kind of break this down. First of all, this is a 3-month time frame. Let me make this bigger for you all. And I want to first talk about Keltner lines. So you can see this yellow line right here. Every time XRP tends to touch it, it then sells off. Okay, multiple touch points. You can see right here we had 1, 2, 3, 4 touch points. This was a matter of 3, 6, 9, 12. This was a matter of a year, basically. Okay. And this was also, mind you, a huge breakout. So what has XRP done from this point to this point? It has not broken out, right? You can even see, let me just move this over. I'm going to move it to right here. Okay. You can even see, yes, this touched, but we haven't had bodies touching it like we have here, right? So this is a body touching this line. This is a body touching this line. This is clearly a massive breakout, just like this was down here. Okay, so I want you to think a little more long-term and why I'm very, very confident that this will reach minimum $7 to $8 very soon. Okay, so Keltner lines, we're all tracking what that is. We also have an RSI right now that has made a higher high. Okay, what has happened from basically this point here back in January 2018? We were all going lower. The RSI was in a downtrend, right? But when this happened, it broke out this, it broke these highs, it broke this high, and now it needs to break this high. But here's the thing, guys, what could happen, because this was 96 on an RSI, which is very overbought. And, I think crypto will have a massive move like this. You want to be watching definitely the weekly and the monthly timeframes. But what could happen is XRP could make a new high right here. So it's going to break this 380 something, right? It's going to make a new high. And then this RSI, we'll find out soon, because this was October. The next time this closes will be in January. So this month, actually, we'll see what happens. Make a new high, and the RSI makes a lower high. That would technically be negative divergence. It would be really stretched out, but at the end of the day, it's still kind of bearish. But really what I'm looking for is more bodies touching this yellow Keltner line, right? And I'm looking for Fibonacci levels, because you can see right now, if I take it from the all-time high, which was about 384, I believe, and I bring it all the way to the low point right here, you can see that first we tested the 236 level with this wick right here. Then we sold off. Then we had this big green candle. And right now, we are basically testing. I mean, we haven't even hit the 786 level yet, which is just above $3. The 618 level, which is a turnaround spot where we see heavy resistance, is at 252. And you can see that's what we're testing right now. Let me even zoom in for you. Right here is what we're testing. Once we close above this, then it's game on. Now, this could be some resistance short term. I'm not even thinking of the next day or the next week, guys. This is a 3-month chart. So I want you to think more long term. What do you feel like XRP will look like in the next 3 months? That's really what I'm talking about. Okay. So why do I say $7.40? Well, let me show you this real quick, guys, because this is important. I told everyone on October 8th, buy alert. Picture says it all. XRP should hold this area all the way down to 50 cents. Okay. This is a buy here under 53 cents. I talk about the volume. We break this down every single week with different cryptos and stocks. So we were buying it up. Okay. What about on November 8th? I said XRP will probably move up very soon. Look at this. MACD cross about to happen. Weekly time frame. Stochastic cross also looks good. RSI not overbought at all. Look at the support right here on this picture, guys. if you have some extra money and believe in the coin, this is a good buy here at 55.13. So congrats to all Patreon members who are riding with me and who are putting faith into what I'm putting out. I truly, truly appreciate you. And you already know you are making massive gains with the cryptos and the stocks that we talk about on a weekly basis. Okay, guys, if you want to learn this, and I'm not even talking about this bull run, I'm talking about for the rest of your life. I have put together a 3-video course to master the charts. It's $47 until December 31st. You get lifetime access where you get to watch it over and over again. Every video is about 20 minutes. The first video walks you through exactly how to set up your charts like mine. The second video walks you through exactly when to buy stocks and when to start selling stocks, how to find the setups that I find. Okay, I make it very simple for you. The third video talks about crypto. Same thing, how to find setups, how to know when to buy, how to know when to sell. How do you think we called AOs at 13 cents? And now that thing is over $1. Okay, we've called multiple cryptos, multiple stocks. I can't even count how many that we've laid on the table for people to take massive action on and to make a ton of money. Okay, so do yourself a favor, invest in yourself, get this before the end of the year, and win massively going into 2025. Now, looking at XRP, why am I saying $7 to $8? Well, we already know based off this chart alone that XRP moves off Fibonacci. Okay, you can even see right here, we wicked to the 50 right here. We pulled back. We wicked again to the 236 level. We pulled back. We wicked again. Now we made a higher high, which is a very good sign. So this candle is higher than this, right? So we are in an uptrend for XRP. We are just testing the 618. This is no big deal. This is just what happens. So for me, I'm chilling right now. And recently, I bought more XRP at $1.94. Okay, I shared that with all Patreon members. Sold a little bit of XYO since I was up massively on that. Bought XRP on the dip, and now XRP is my largest holding again. Okay, so what I'm looking for next is kind of to follow this trend line right here. Right, we see this touch point sells off. So what's the next touch point? Well, if it happens this month, this would get us to the 1.618 level, which would be about $6.22. This would also line up with the 3.618 level over here at $6.22. Okay, what did I do here? So let's see. So I took it from this high point and I brought it all the way to this low point. So this high point to this low point. And you can see these are the fib levels I'm watching. Okay. So I believe that we're going to pass $3, and I believe we're going to take the next leg up past about $6. Okay. Another thing, another fib level, I guess you could look for if you want some short-term resistance would be about $4.46. But ultimately, guys, I think within the next 3 to potentially, if we experience some pullbacks right here, 3 to 6 months. So by April 2025, I think this will be worth over $7. Okay. This would be in between the 1.618 level and the 2.618 level on a Fibonacci from the all-time high to the all-time low. This would also be a full Fibonacci retracement from this level right here to the bottom here, right? A full Fibonacci retracement gets us to about 720 all the way to 740. And it's at the top of this trend line. With the stochastic cross right here bullish, it's a very good sign. With the RSI making new highs, very good sign. And this MACD cross right here, very good sign. I don't know what else to tell you guys, but if you found some value here, don't forget to subscribe. That's free. I truly appreciate that. Drop a like on the video. Leave a comment. Let me know how you're feeling about XRP. And guys, this isn't my long-term price target. This is over the next max 6 months price target for XRP. Okay. Hope you guys have a great day. This is just my own opinion. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy or sell XRP. I'm just telling you what I see, and you got to go with what your heart is telling you at the end of the day. Have a great weekend.